If you want to grow on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, speed is essential. It's not about spending hours editing a single video, it's about creating a repeatable system that allows you to post consistently without draining your energy. In this video, I'm going to show you my fast workflow for efficiently editing shorts and reels from import to export. Let's get started. The first step starts with the structure. Even before opening the editor, you need to have structure. Short-form content works like this: hook, value, and closing. So, when I record or when I take a recorded video to edit, I already think about a strong hook in the first 2 or 3 seconds, a quick and direct delivery, and a clear closing or call to action. And this saves you a lot of time in editing, because you don't have to figure out the video afterwards. You just need to assemble it. Step 2. Use a project template. This is one of the biggest shortcuts. Instead of starting from scratch every time, create a base vertical project that already has the timeline in the correct format, ready-made text styles, an adjustment layer for color correction, effects, sound effects, background music track, a short intro if you use one. That way, every new short starts from the same point. No resizing, no rebuilding everything, no wasting time. You just replace the video and edit. Step 3. Edit for speed, not for perfection. In short videos, the goal is rhythm and retention. Here are some practices to speed things up. Cut and pause without mercy. Remove the parts where you talk too much, and also cut out long silences. Use aggressive jump cuts. Don't get hung up on minor imperfections. Shorts are fast, the audience doesn't wait. If you master shortcuts like ripple delete and quick trim, you can edit a 60-second video in just a few minutes. Step number 4. Subtitles done smartly. Subtitles are essential because a lot of people watch without sound, especially on Instagram and TikTok. To speed things up, I use automatic subtitle tools. In fact, I made a video about how to create automatic subtitles. You can also create a default preset. Always use the same fonts and colors. Avoid reinventing the design for every video. Visual consistency saves time and strengthens your brand. Quick subtitles mean higher retention. Step number 5. Simple design and editing. Don't complicate the audio. My quick formula: clean voice, light and low background music, and a few subtle sound effects to add impact. Shorts need clarity and rhythm, not cinematic mixing. If you always use the same style of music, you save time and avoid decision fatigue. And you can also set aside a folder and put the songs you use most in your short videos there. Step number 6. Batch produce. Here's where you really gain productivity. Instead of recording, edit, post, and repeat the process, do the following. Record 5 to 10 videos in one session, edit all the sequences, and schedule the posts. Batch production reduces preparation time and keeps you in the editing mode. You will notice each video is faster than the last. Consistency beats intensity. Step number 7. Export preset. Create a fixed export preset, an appropriate format, optimized for cell phones, balanced bitrate, same file name standard for organization. Then you can export without changing the settings every time. If you want to grow with shorts, reels, or TikToks, your competitive advantage is not perfection. It is speed plus consistency. Build a system once, reuse it forever,